Mustard. This much. 1 tablespoon. Small. Yeah, now it is ready. Then lotus leaves. Then we add the onion. For beetroot, it gives really good taste. This one.
Really, nice.
I would never think of this.
The pan, then it become a brown color. Then later I mixture it and I kept in the fridge. You can use this for the 7 days. Nothing will happen.
Okay.
It's
So it's just an
always it
ordinary
is
white
fresh.
and then
Yeah,
you
then it comes
bake
brown
it.
because once you roast it.
You pressure cooker it. You use beetroot, you pressure cooker it.
Yes, yes.
Because it takes long to cook.
Yeah.
For this, what I will do, this is 1 carrot and this is the clustered bean.
This is what?
Clustered bean.
Cluster.
So I will
Yeah.
Every time fresh.
Yeah. Good. And she doesn't like from the freezer. She says, how old is it?
They always ask.
But we have to buy, we have to go to the supermarket and buy and keep in the fridge. We don't buy every day. Yeah.
You get a steam, huh?
Okay.
now we are adding this up. For this, I am adding more water for the boiling. Then for the 5 minutes later, I will off it.
Okay. Inside, lovely.
Thank you.